Hi guys! So, bago ako malobat, let's do this. Ayan, so may Gcash tayo. Kung gusto nyo ng mas mataas na interest rate compared sa mga popular na bangko dito sa Pilipinas, ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon ang isang tip para makasave with a higher interest rate. So, ayan, 3.10 annually guys ang interest rate dito sa Gcash. So, halimbawa, meron tayong 5,000. So, ang interest niya is 3.10%. So, magiging 0.0310. So, 155 ang annual interest niya. So, pero wala pang tax dyan. I think may tax ito. Ayan, so ito yung ating interest rate para sa BPI. It's, paki-zoom in. So, compared sa BPI naman, na may 0.00125%. So, yan, yung 5,000 mo in a year, magiging yan lang yung, interest. How much ulit? Pakibalik nga. So, magiging 6.25%, pesos, OMG guys, diba? So, saan pa kayo? Mag-Gcash na. Mag-save na sa Gcash. So, itong itatransfer ko ngayon is, bali yung ilalagay ko sa aking Gcash is yung pang emergency fund. Kasi hindi ko to gagalawin. So, ayan, hindi ko siya i-withdraw. Pero pwede nyo lang siyang i-withdraw. So, this is your base interest. Your savings account earns. Ayan, you can also get higher interest rate based on promotions from CIMB Bank. So, doon napapasok si CIMB Bank. Sila yung, sa kanila papasok yung i-deposit mo. So, sa kanila magagaling yung interest. And yung promo nila is kapag meron silang mga ibang promo. And by the way, I receive a message from CIMB. So, meron silang, kapag nag-deposit ka ng 5,000, life insurance na guys, meron siyang life insurance. Just maintain a minimum of 5,000 on your UpSave or Gcash account and get free life insurance. So, January 1 pa siya effective, 2021. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? Let's start saving and insuring our lives, okay? So, ayan guys, you can visit their website for more info. And, ayan, magka-cash in na tayo. So, ayan guys, magka-cash in tayo ng 5,000. Ayan, confirm natin. You're about to deposit Gcave to your Gcave account using your Gcash. I confirm, sir. Double check nyo guys. And then, pag, ayan, Gcave deposit success. Okay. So, ayan, may message agad ang Gcash. You have deposited 5,000. So, yun na nga, pumasok na yung ating 5,000 sa ating G-Save account. So, monthly pala dito yung nila, yung interest, monthly siya. Monthly nila binibigay guys. Pwede rin kayong mag-schedule ng auto deposit from Gcash wallet to your G-Save account. So, walang laman yung for loading purposes lang yung ko, kaya hindi mo na ako mag auto deposit. Okay guys, next time. Ayan guys, welcome. Okay, here's what you can do with save money. Enjoy the highest interest rate in the country at 3.10 annually over 10 times higher than regular banks. Deposit and withdraw anytime. So, pwede nyo siyang i-deposit, ay, pwede nyo siyang i-withdraw anytime, guys, yung inyong deposit. So, that's all, guys. That's my tea for today. And thank you for standing by, for staying with me. See you guys next time for more update.